a Samsung washing machine. Client complained, had to replace the door gasket. I'm gonna see it's missing a piece. Have a new in the box, and going to replace it. Okay, so we installed the door gasket successfully. Nice and sealed. And now I'm just gonna test the washing machine one more time. We already tested once, it's all nice and dry. The test we're doing, it's a quick cycle that we're performing for Samsung machines, just to see that everything is working correct. Here we go, this is the fast cycle. We're just gonna check all the components. It's gonna fill with water. I can see that it's nice and sealed. It's gonna fill, open cold and hot water valves. Gonna do some washing, draining and spinning. And after that we're gonna make sure that no water is around the machine and the repair is complete. This is the cold water. Alright, it's all done. The job is done.